You got nothing. Don't be stupid, old man. There's a world full of animals out there. I'll get myself a rabbit or something. You ain't indispensable. You got them locked up?
It's all taken care of, Nick.
Good. I want this mess cleaned up today. And then I'm going to take this chipmunk here down to the studio where he's going to make the most heartwarming endorsement the American public has ever heard. And then I want you to go to the factory and I want you to take care of business.
Consider it done, Nick.
I'll be dropping by with the old man right after he makes the commercial. Then we'll take care of all of them.
All of them, including?
Chipmunks are a dime a dozen. We'll get ourselves a new shill after the accident.
Accident?
They're all going to be at the factory, right?
Yeah.
We got fire insurance, right?
Right.
And make me a tragedy.
How's it look, B.A.?
It's solid as a rock.
Colonel? Look at this. And this.
You smell that?
Gasoline. Stand by, everybody.